friends, I am VP Jain, General Manager, Punjab National Bank. It is about technology, a paradigm shift, I think. Well, I remember a good number of years back when Dr. K.C. Chakravarti was in PNB. He was the executive director and I was his secretary. That time he went to inaugurate one of the sessions when technology was to be launched. For the first time I heard him speak that technology is meant for the masses. Actually, if we see the banking, what it was 20 years back and what it is today. Saving fund account, that time we have it today. Zero balance accounts, we have it today. Balancing, passbooks, almost everything, except the way of maintaining the accounts, the way, the cost behind it, and the reach, it has changed. So, technology is primarily to cater to a large number of people and cost effectively. As the numbers grow, as we go down in the bottom of the pyramid, we find that the numbers will grow, the cost has to come down. Financial inclusion is possible only by reaching the last mile at his doorstep, which is possible by technology, which has to be a mindset. And the biggest problem with today is that we have been taking financial inclusion as a responsibility. Whereas with the help of technology, it is no more a responsibility, it is a business opportunity. Unless we find that this financial inclusion by technology can be converted into a business opportunity, it will not sustain. Had it not been a business opportunity, all the mobile companies that are wanting to enter into the banking system today would not have been here. Why everyone has been talking about financial inclusion all of a sudden? So the paradigm shift is that it is no more a responsibility. It is no more, it's definitely a business opportunity. It's a win-win situation for all. Just one more point before I would hand over the mic to my friends is about the Aadhaar system, which the Secretary Andhra Pradesh IT had spoken. Friends, one question which has always been bothering me is Aadhaar is a system for unique identification. It is an identity process. Can the banks adopt it as a financial address? Should we do it? Is a question which I have not been able to answer to myself. There are two parts to any transaction that takes place in the banking system, which all the bankers here sitting will be knowing and vouching. One is the credit and the other is the debit. If you want to do deduplication, if you want to ensure that the right person gets it, if you want to ensure that it becomes a financial address, if you want to ensure all these things, they are valid so far as the disbursement part is concerned. You want to give subsidies, you want to give benefits, you want to transfer all these things, fair enough. But when it comes to authentication, I think authentication mechanism, the banks do have a robust system even today. So authentication, Aadhaar as an authentication mechanism for payment, I do not know whether it is required or are we geared up to accept that kind of authentication mechanism for the payment. So this is one question which I'm not very confident whether the technology and other things will be able to handle this. And that is about all. I think my just a small this thing, Mr. Vijay Sardana. So one, it was not so pessimistic. The world is not so bad as I could see. It's the onions may be 100 rupees, but inflation may be 10%, but it is not that it is going to be 10% for the coming 100 years. Second, another point, the paradigm shift that I was just talking about lies in the way how we look at the business. The agriculturist, maybe your requirement of a company or of the government may not be a business opportunity for the branch as was being visualized. Could be the meeting of minds were not happening and there could be some gaps. But yes, the technology has traveled a good deal, and today the technology has enabled the system where the farmer is not required to reach the bank branch for doing his transactions. It is the online system which is reaching his location. It is the last mile delivery that the secretary was also speaking, and subsequently we also tried to cover. That is that authentication mechanism of Aadhaar was one method by which the last mile delivery can take place irrespective of the bank where he holds his account. That is interbank operability is through Aadhaar system. So I think so we can do the delivery in a business perspective through technology, and the system is capable, the technology has advanced to that level.